Okay, so here's a quick tutorial about how to find images online. So let's say you have a really nice dress that you have picture of, but you don't know where you can find it online, where you can buy it. So you go to Google Images, it's just images.google.com, and you drag the pictures. You can see what I'm doing and searching. So now we're just going to show you all the results that they found. So this is the dress, and they will show you maybe the exact same dress, maybe something similar, and where can you find it, like links to the website. So you can see there is some of them are actually exactly the same, like this one, and some of them are similar but not exactly the same. So Google Images have another way. You just can copy and paste the URL, or you can just, instead of dragging the picture, just choose from uh, your files. So another way, you can use the voice option to just say whatever you want. Here I'm doing another way of finding pictures. You can just go here, I go to AliExpress, I chose this product, and then I just click right and do search Google Images. There you go. And now it will show me all the results of the same product. We will show you pictures and websites that you can find it. So thank you so much. I hope it helps you. Please comment down below if you have any other method that can help you find other images online. I will appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and like my video if you like it. Thank you so much.